Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make it so it's easier for people to water your plants in Heartopia. So we are going to go to build mode and I'm just going to rearrange some of my flowers. I've seen a lot of people do this with their plants and I'm like, okay, let me do this as well. So we are going to go to fences here. Let's go to the fence build mode. This is already nice. It's on like 3 by 3. If you like reach level 9, you're able to you're able to flower, nope, you're able to water flowers 9 at a time. So we are going to do that. I'm just going to get a fence here. Let's do I'm just gonna do this one. Honestly, wait, or is it this one? And I'm just going to color it black to match my house aesthetic. Oops, wrong way. Then we're going to, let's just do it this way so I don't have to color it every single time. And then we're going to do it this way. Okay, we're going to also do that way as well. Then we're going to want to rotate that. Oh my gosh, I hate it when it like rotates on its own. There we go. Okay, and then another one here. And I'm just going to move this around as well. So, okay, the peach, oh wait, this is tulip. Okay, let me just put this in my inventory first. What is this? Why am I mixing? Oh, it is tulip. What am I on about? Sorry, guys. Okay, this is the lily plant. My bad. Um, so there's, okay, I need to plant more. I'll plant more later, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rearrange these flowers so that it's easier for people to water my plants. I'm just going to place it here, then here. Oh my gosh, this is very tedious, I must say. I also need to place like the higher level of flowers closer, which I'll do later. And then again, I'm just going to do that so people are able to kind of like know how many flowers they've already like watered. I'll make another one there, but that will be for later. And that's it. Basically, put like fences around your flowers so that when they water your flowers, it is easier for them to kind of see how many flowers they've watered in this game. So thank you for my friend who inspired me to do this. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. But again, if you take out your water can, it's just much easier. So like 9 and then like 9 here as well. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!